Today we will learn the letter K. Hello, my little learners. It's me, Bobby. Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Great! Now listen carefully. The letter K says k, 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 k.
Watch my mouth. K. Now say it with me.
K, k, k.
Great! Let's look at some words that start with K. K is for kitten.
These are some words that start with K. Key. Kangaroo.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Kitten, key, kite. Excellent! Let's play a quick game. If the word starts with K, clap your hands. Amazing!
Clap your hands if the word starts with sound K. Sun, key. Amazing! Today we learned the sound of the letter K. See you next time for another phonics adventure. Bye, friends!
K says clap your hands with me. K for kite up in the sky. K for kitten. K is fun to say. See you soon for another sound. Let's learn and laugh and play.